The beauty is resting. Rabbit, gopher hole, a little bit of walking, and she's done resting. I just took a few pictures. That's cactus, honey. We're just hanging out here. I'm not expecting anything. Just because it's a beautiful morning. Whew. I will have tomorrow. Oh, look. Oh. I will have tomorrow and, of course, tomorrow off and Friday off too. And then it's Saturday and Sunday, so 4 days. Lucy, you're 40. She's checking out every single hole. Look at that. And that's footprints. It's not gopher holes. Lucy, this way. This way. Thank you. I'm gonna go back to my favorite tree. Favorite tree down here. There's another one up on that hill. A fallen tree, but this one is still, look at that tree. So after digging for a little bit, and it took her about a minute and a half, 2 minutes of digging, Lucy's feeling a lot better. Look at that tree. And then look at that cactus next to it. As the sun comes up, those blossoms will open up. There's another one, big one back there. Lucy, slow down. See that? Lucy's shaking the blossoms. Hey, Lucy, stop. Lucy, come here. Turn around. Good girl. Come here, baby. Thank you. Leash. Thank you. Stop. Thank you. Huh? Hey. Okay, bye. I'm not gonna give her much leash right now. Oh, look. I love her. She's so nosy. See that tree? This is why I love it so much. It has got character. Like this little mutley here. Oh, it's the day before the 4th. I wish you all a beautiful day. Bye.